We opened all the screws. Yesterday already we opened this one, right?
Yes, sir.
And this board was having a problem with the communication. So shall we fix this issue today? So before going to start anything, first we should take a photograph of this image. Take a photo. How this image is looking, after repair also it should be in the same image. Why? Because while doing soldering work, this component alignment will be misplaced actually. That will lead for big problem. Okay. Now shall we check this EC with our tester? Come. So we are having a tester here. Why we are using tester means to confirm the problem. Now shall we fix this connector for the tester? Done. We need to turn on this ignition. So everything is stable up. Lights are stable up. Now shall we use our scanner? So I connected one OBD scanner here. Let's see with the communication. So I will go for the application next does. We need to connect our VCI. Go for OBD2. Done. Now shall we verify this with the communication? If there is communication is good means it will lock for any one of the protocol and it will show the live data. Is it showing any live data?
No, sir.
Shall we compare with another hardware? Yeah, bring that EC also. No. Failure. Shall we try with another hardware? Done. Ignition, accessories, ignition. Shall we try with the same thing one more time? OBD2. Now it's verifying with the protocol one by one. In this one also it is showing failure, but don't take it serious action. We need to verify in second method. Shall we try in second method? I am removing everything. Take this OBD, take this tab. We need to do manual connection for this ECM, and you are having a ignition switch and main relay light also we are having. So you can test it in this manual method also. In that tester it was showing failure, right? Yes. In that test it on table and confirm this problem. Here I was using a connector EDC 17C08. That was different connector. This for ECM 17C53. So, but almost all the pins are same. Maybe CAN low, CAN high pin will be interchanged because maybe that reason it was not communicating. But shall we confirm from this cable?
Yes, sir.
We will connect directly to the same pinotes, and we will going to diagnose this from the same OBD2 diagnostic. So we need to go for wiring diagram. Same. EDC 17C53 and first one, and we need to do connection for this one. First we need to take care of only supply ground ignition can not connect. Don't need to connect for GPT0, GPT1. It is for programming part. Before that, first I need to start from this one. So here I give a lot of names. Colors also different. Don't get confused. So first we need to connect for pin number 1, right? Done. This is our 12 volts, 12V, pink wire, ground. Ground. Done. We need to connect it for
Pin number
1 more.
46.
12 volts are
Yes, sir.
brown wire only. Brown wire is nothing but 12 volts only. 12 volts. So how many pins? We need to leave 4 pins are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. In this one it comes in black color, but tag name is called CAN high. Okay. How many pins we need to leave? 3 plus 3. 6 pins we need to leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pin na?
Yes, sir.
1,
6
2,
pin
3, 4, 5, 6. Leave 6 pins. 7th one is called CAN high. H. Now we need to connect CAN low. In this one it comes with yellow color. Next pin only we are having CAN. Done. If you use a tester means it will have a coupler to coupler ready connection with actuator part also, with sensor part also. But here it is only for communication part. Clear? Now shall we try with the communication part? So we need to connect this for the OBD cable.
You need to connect with the supply and the
No, supply ground I already connected.
No.
Here compulsory you should give. Because that's how it will work.
Yes.
We need to give a 12 volts connection and we need to turn on the ignition. Okay. Now shall we scan this one on bench method? VCI. Okay. Done.
Yes, sir.
In bench it is working, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we can see the live data. So now, how many details we are having means select all. Okay. Now first one we are having a number of details stored in how much details we are having 10. And next engine RPM, vehicle speed, intake, manifold, and distance travel, kilometer, command EGR, percentage, barometric pressure sensor. This is called barometric pressure sensor. It is also showing the barometric pressure sensor value 90 kilopascal. Same or good or bad?
Good.
Good. And next control module voltage is how much? 13.92 volts. Good. Axle pedal I not pressed anything. That's why it is showing that much thing. And rail pressure is not connected. Rail pressure is not connected. That's why it is showing a junk value. So everything is stable. But rest of the supply will be working condition. If you stop giving supply for this one means it will shut down the entire system. So if they are can't able to identify that to turn on the ignition, and no need to worry. Open the EC coupler pin and count it particularly which way is going for ignition. Follow from this data sheets, you will get all the information. Okay, if you purchase this KTM bench or if you search in Google also, you will get this pinout. From this only we can tell that this EC is having, this is called, what is called ignition. Clear? Now shall we try for the next hardware? We just need to change the connections. First one to first one, done. Last one to last one, done. And we need to connect 6th pin. After 6th pin we are having
7th pin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, done. Next 7th one. 7th one is called as can high and 8th one is called as
Can
can low. And next we are having another additional wire that is called not ground, ignition. How many pin we are having? We need to leave 4 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th pin we need to connect. Done. I will take out the hardware. Same connection. Shall we try now? First we need to give a power supply. If you just give a power supply means these 2 pins will get supply. Now it is waiting for
ignition to start.
that's all. If you turn on the ignition means it will start communicating. Shall we try it by the diagnostic tool?
Yes, sir.
OBD2. It is verifying with the protocol ISO 15765. Done.
Both are
You can go
communicating.
for live data. Select all. Okay. You can check all the number of fault code story 10 only. Same report of this CCM also.
Because we copied the data.
Not copied. We not connected any sensors and actuators. That's why it is showing. And we are having the same IAT is not connected up minus 40 degree. Correct. Next barometric 90 kilopascal. Battery voltage same.
Yes, sir.
And everything will be same kilopascal. I not connected rail pressure, same value. Shall we see the fault codes? It was showing 10, right? Shall we see this read DTC? How much fault codes is showing in this hardware?
It's too much.
We are not connected a map sensor. We not connected EGR. We not connected map sensor with circuit. Exhaust. Rail pressure sensor not connected. Fuel pump means DRV is not connected. Fuel flow actuator. Next ECD temperature not connected. IAT not connected. And next turbo actuator is not connected. That's what is showing this network.
So this ECU is very good.
This is very good for communication and maintenance. Everything is stable. We need the detailed report of this ECU right now. Based on the diagnostic report only, we can go ahead. How I am telling means, if you consult any specialist doctor means, first what he will do?
Read the old reports.
Blood test report. First he will going to ask you the blood test report.
Yes.
What doctor will do? Based on the analysis of blood test report, then he will take a decision whether to operate or to abort. Getting my point or not? So here I am not having a blood test report. It's nothing but diagnostic report. That's why I can't proceed this EC for repair. If you still want to confirm this EC is whether working or not, we are having a special tool that is called FEDOS. In that tool we can check all individual IC legs whether the IC is working or not. Everything by comparing with one healthy ECM. Based on that, scenario, we can confirm this whether the ECU is good or bad. First, we need to figure out the software problem. Maybe data damage, or maybe you put a wrong data. Those are the scenarios. But hardware, it will tell you the exact answer. FEDOS. Without DTC report also we can repair the ECU. But the main condition is what? One healthy ECU you should have. From comparing of one healthy ECU, you can compare with this defect hardware.
Unhealthy issue.
If it is showing the same value, it should also show same value. If any one of the part is showing abnormal means, then you need to take care about the particular IC. Why? Because I am not having diagnostic report. But still I want to figure out the problem. Means compulsory I should have one working ECM of same EDC 17C53. If you are not having diagnostic report means. If you have diagnostic report means already answer in your book. Go ahead. Simple. Now I will open parallel with another one. EDC 17C53 versus 08. Compare these two ECUs. It is having ground here. It is having supply here. This is having ground here and supply here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And look at this GPD0, GPD1. It is interchange. Interchange actually.
Yes.
And look at this. Ignition is also same.
Yes, sir.
Communication it comes in first line.
Yes,
But
sir.
in this board communication comes in.
Second line.
But that's why that machine can't able to
Read it.
communicate with this ECM. Getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
But for repair procedure we are using the same connector. How we are confirming whether it is communicating or not? For secret, if it is communicated with the KTM bench or PCM tuner by identify button, confirm it is working. Getting my point or not? This is the simple way we can confirm whether the ECM is working or not. Clear? I want diagnostic report for to verify this ECU with a direct vehicle problem, or maybe I need one healthy ECU. By using FEDOS we can compare the hardware. Two procedures we are having. So if the first procedure failure means second procedure we are having, but I want one working ECU.